Hello everyone, this is Lilian from Repack. Do you want a bag which is more stable and sounds and easy to step, providing convenience both to retailers and consumers? Today, let me introduce the Boss Bottle Zipper Pouch for you. As we can see, we have 5 pairs of printable surface air. Which can provide increasing breathable space for a brand. For the zipper, we have the normal one and tier of zipper. If the wire you wanting is not so big, I suggest the tier of zipper, which will let the bag be easier to open. They are laminated with aluminum foil lamination. That provides a high barrier against oxygen, moisture, and other contamination. For more questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. See you next time.